Mithu. We'll make a video on how we make things for Mithu to eat. What are they all? Mithu, where are you going? Whenever I make video, you always go. Come. She got rescued. Mithu. So. Mithu, bad. Ducky bhai, close that video.
No, we are just fan of Betty Bhai. He is the
You are just fan, but I have to make a video of my Mithu, and I have to tell my viewers why I started this channel. I started this channel because to get fame, to get fame of my parrot, to get fame for my Mithu. As we apply for the F4 visa in USA about 12 years ago, and we are near about to move, and we take some information that it's not easier to take your pet with you. So we tried to I got an idea, and we started our channel that we made a cute Mithu's video and upload them, so our cute little parrot will get the fame and will take this Mithu with us to US. And for that we need help from you, that you make to subscribe our channel and watch the videos completely, so our channel become monetized and we get the amount, and it's easier for us to take Mithu with us. See, Mithu is also saying, Mithu, please help us, please help Mithu to be a cute little heroine. Anna? Mithu, heroine? Mithu, are you a hero or heroine? Hero or heroine? Mithu, say meow. So kindly subscribe our channel and give it a kindly complete watch. So at last Mithu say meow meow in her channel. Chalo, okay, bye. Mithu, sleep. Bye, Mithu.